Sana huminto to mamaya. So, pupunta kami ng shop para mag New Year's food shopping.
Mac. What were you saying?
I said we're going to the shop. So, let's see kung busy ang shop today. Kasi last minute na and tonight na yung New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So, ito yung bin nila kung saan pwede kang mag-donate or yung mga hindi mo na kailangan dito may tapon.
Mommy, no books. Is it a clothes, Mom?
Yeah, it's all clothes.
I don't like that.
Oh my god. Just throw it away. So, pwede kang mga clothing, mga handbag, shoes, like books. Kasi pag nabasa, malalata lang siya. Before, doon nila to nilagay. Kaya lang yung mga tao is, ini-imbak lang nila. So, ito yung bago nilang ano. What's happening on the ground?
One poo fell off.
What? Well, how comes this one poop fell off? Whose poo is this? I think it's only dirt, not poo. Looks like poo-poo. So, nakauwi na kami, guys. Daming grocery. Hindi siya ganun ka-busy. And, smooth lang yung transaction. Surprisingly, parang 2 months ago na, or 3 months ago. Ang ganun. Siguro, paggastos namin sa pag-grocery na sa 300 plus up to 400 plus. And today, guys, nasa 280 lang yung yung bill namin sa grocery shopping. And napasigaw ako ng what sa cashier. So ko, what? Kasi usually, natatawa kami kasi usually ganun ang bill namin, di ba? Eh ngayon mas mababa kasi meron kami ngayon na i-try namin mag-adjust sa shopping, sa grocery shopping. So kung halimbawa yung yung budget namin is nasa 350. Kung magkano yung shopping namin ngayon, tapos below siya, yung sobra nun is ilalagay namin sa garapon para yun yung magiging gagastusin namin pag mag-trip kami papuntang Pilipinas or ganun. So meron kaming ginugol this time. So ayun. So tuwang-tuwa kami kasi 200 plus lang instead na 400 plus. Andito na yung pang New Year's Eve namin na dinner at saka yung pang party namin sa Sabado kasi yung friend ko aalis na sila, lilipat na sila ng ibang state. And ayun, maghahanda ako ng food para sa kanya, para sa family niya na alam niyo yun, parang mag-lunch lang kami dito sa bahay kasi ang alis nila ata next week na. So mag-lunch lang kami dito sa bahay. And, so, ayun, nandito na nga lahat pang handa namin tonight at saka pang party namin sa Sabado. And, tuwang-tuwa kami. So, meron kaming broccoli dito, guys. May beans kami, may tomato para sa salad, and barbecue, fried chicken, and itry ko tong pancit bihon na mix. And then lemongrass kasi mag-lechon pork belly ako sa Sabado sa pagpumunta dito yung mga friend ko. And then we have eggs kasi gagawa ko ng mango bravo cake para matikman ng friend ko bago sila lumipat ng ibang states, and cashew nuts para sa mango bravo cake natin. And cucumber and tomato sauce at tomato paste. And pizza sauce kasi gagawa din akong pizza sa Sabado, and garlic, salt, star anise, and 2-minute noodles. And then bumili kami ng soap mix na lentils kasi may sobra kaming ham sa Christmas, so gawin naming ham soup or soup ham. And carrots and oyster sauce, icing sugar para sa mango bravo natin, smoked paprika, and 4-leaf salad para sa salad natin. And mango para sa mango bravo. Potato. Ano to siya? Nectarine or firm and sweet. Nectarine nga siya. Nectarine. Flour, self-raising flour, corn, mushrooms, banana, and cherries. And ito na yung green grapes natin para mamaya gagawin natin yung 12 grapes na kakainin yung 12 grapes. And ano to? Apple and bread. And then, ito na yung meat natin, yung ham, yung beef steak, yung pork belly, and then tsaka yung drumstick. Kasi gagawa ko ng drumstick na barbecue drumstick sa Sabado. And ham, and chicken breast. And cream natin for mango bravo. So, that's it for our New Year grocery shopping, guys. And Happy New Year to everyone. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung New Year nyo. Sa Philippines, no, is, talagang ma-fireworks sa atin, no? Dito sa Australia, meron siyang fireworks ng 11, ng midnight. Meron din sa city naman, hindi sa bawat bahay-bahay. Kasi sa Pilipinas, lahat ng tao nagpa-fireworks talaga. Pero dito sa Brisbane, sa city lang. Meron ding 8 o'clock. Yun naman yung pang kids na fireworks. Kasi yung kids hindi na nakakahintay ng 12 midnight. So, ang ginagawa nila is, meron din pang kids na 8 o'clock ng gabi. And then, 12 midnight. So, dalawa yung fireworks nila dito. But, this year, hindi ata kami pupunta ng city. Last year, pumunta kami ng malapit lang sa city na ma-view lang yung fireworks. Hindi kami totally pumunta sa city kasi busy. At saka baka wala nang ma-parkingan, daming tao. So, ang ginawa namin last year, pumunta lang kami sa yung parang high na area para lang ma-view yung fireworks last year. But this year, parang hindi kami pupunta. Parang mas pupunta lang kami dito sa mas may malapit lang dito sa area namin. Kasi parang meron din atas ng pa-fireworks dito sa area namin. So, ayun. Happy New Year to everyone. And sana bless yung next year natin. Really? So, nagluto tayo ng pansit bihon for, at sa ating New Year's Eve dinner. Ginamit ko ito guys, sinubukan ko siya, and mukhang masarap. Tingnan niyo. Parang ang lapot tignan. So, ginamit ko siya.
What?
And si James magluto ng ham. Ito yung ham namin sa Christmas. Ngayon lang namin lutuin. And, wala akong pansit, so vermicelli ang gagamitin ko. So, let's see. And then, nagpakulo ako ng egg para sa pansit natin.
Use the whole lot?
What?
Or what do you use this for?
We need for our salad. Or do you want to have salad tonight? Or just pancit?
It's so cute.
Do you want salad too, or just pancit? No. No?
Okay.
It's too much?
Whatever's easy. Here you go, Shishon. Here's this one.
Ayan, gumawa si James ng honey glaze. Is it honey? You call it honey?
glaze.
Honey glaze para sa
Glass.
ham. Para
Para
i-base niya dito sa taas mamaya pag
we ran out of
nag-baking siya.
peppercorn.
Ayan. Oh, you base it now? Okay,
Yeah.
a little bit
Full
base.
time, man.
How long are you gonna cook it?
1.5 hours.
Okay. Pansit natin, guys. And so, ito yung namin. Tapos, ang konting handa namin, nagpansit lang ako, salad, tsaka yung ham namin. Ito, hindi namin nagawa ng Pasko, kaya gagawin namin this time.
Alright, time.
Daddy, go, Lana, Dad. What?
Lana one.
Lana one.
What did I got? A calendar! A calendar!
What else?
Is there a crown?
Cool.
Let me see, Lan. Is there a crown? Oh, there is something here says, what do you get if you cross a sheep with a kangaroo?
Mommy!
Woolly jumper.
Ah, that is
That's
right.
like from 50 years ago.
All right, ready?
Jackson got the right crown!
Hold on, son.
Aww.
Oh, it's all right, son. You can have it, son.
Jace, look
What's inside, son?
Look, I got a red crown. Look.
Ah, nice. You can put it on.
What did you got there? What is that?
Is it candles? Yeah, it is a candle.
And Mom, look, Jason got a
And
yellow crown.
He got a yellow
I got a
crown.
red crown.
Now
That's
you can
me.
wear it.
That's me.
Now, here's the question. What
I
does...
got a calendar.
Okay, here's the question. What does a frog do if his car breaks down?
He can't move.
He can move?
Don't know.
The answer is he gets it towed away. Cause really?
I think this is that one.
Another one with JC. How about you with Daddy and Alana with Mommy?
Let's go. Jason's starting with you.
All right, then first. Oh, JC won.
Again.
Ready, Mom?
Oh wait,
A great crown!
A ruler.
a roller.
Another ruler! That's another ruler!
All right, love. Cool. Okay, what was in my one?
Okay, ready? And you get a grand energized crown.
I get even
What? How do I won? I just hold it like this.
Yeah.
So she won. Okay, what's inside?
A little crown.
Yeah, there's a crown, but what's inside?
I got a little crown like
Come on, guys.
What is this? A crossword!
Oh, good.
It's a cross. Oh, Alana will be good with this
That
one.
was worth the extra.
Ah.
Jace, do you want this color?
So guys, pupunta kami ng park kung saan held yung fireworks ng alas 8. Kasi may fireworks na alas 8 para sa mga kids. Kasi mga kids kasi maaga na matulog. So, ginagawa nila, mayroong fireworks na 8 o'clock. Meron yung fireworks na midnight. So, this time, pupunta kami ng pang 8 o'clock. So, malapit na siya sa amin. Hindi na kami pupunta ng city. Kasi, malayo. Nasa 30 to 40 minutes. Tapos, ano pa. Baka walang parking, mapaparkingan. Ready, kids? Oh,